Hi everyone. Today we'll see the problem. Sorted the jumbled numbers. We'll go through the problem statement first and see the intuition and then we'll code. We'll go through the problem statement first. You are given a indexed integer array mapping which represents the mapping rule of shuffled decimal system. And mapping of I equals to j means that digit I should be mapped to digit j in the system. The mapped value of an integer is the new integer obtained by replacing each occurrence of digit I in the integer with mapping I for all 0 to 9. You are also given another integer array nums. Return the array nums sorted in non-descending decreasing order based on the mapped value of its elements. Okay, and they have also provided notes saying that elements with the same mapped values should appear in the same relative order as in the input, and the elements of nums should only be sorted on their mapped values and not to be replaced by them. Okay, we'll see what he's saying and then we'll see the intuition, how to solve the problem, and then we'll code. If you see here, they have provided us with a mapping. Given mapping which is equals to 8, 9, 4, 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 6. Okay, this is the mapping, and they have also provided the nums, which is 9, 9, 1, 3, 3, 8, 3, 8. Okay, write down the indexes. They have told that it's a zero indexed integer array, so starts from 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 0 is mapped to 8, 1 is mapped to 9, 2 is mapped to 4, and 9 is mapped to 6, so on. Okay, if you see nums, and we need to create a dictionary which maps to nums. Say 991 maps to what's 9? 6. 6, 6. What's 1? 9. What's 338? 3, 3, 3, 8. It should be what's 3, 0, 0. What's 8, 7. And what's 38? If you see here, 3 maps to 0 and 8 maps to 7. Okay, now we need to sort this particular nums based on these values. Okay, if you see here, this corresponds to 7, this corresponds to 7, this corresponds to 6, 6, 9. Integer value. Okay, here 338 corresponds to 7, 38 also corresponds to 7. In this particular case, what you need to do is you need to order them the way which they have been given in the initial array. So 338 comes first, so you need to put the value 338 in the sorted array first. Okay, sorted array looks like 338 38991 because this corresponds to 007, this corresponds to 07, and this corresponds to 669. So if you see here, 7, 7, 669, they are sorted, right? That's how they need to be. You need to return this particular array. Now we'll see the code, how to solve this. I'll create a map function which maps the current num to the value from the mapping array. Okay, it takes a string and gives a integer. What it does for I in string res plus equals to str of mapping of int of I, return int of res. Okay, it will give the integer value for the mapped number from this particular mapping array, and then I'll form a dictionary. What is the dictionary will consist? It will have a mapped value for nums. Dictionary of I equals to map of str of I. Okay, now what I'll do, sort nums, sorted of nums, comma a key. What's the key here? X equals to dictionary of X. Okay, what I'm doing is sort nums based on the mappings which is being done in the dictionary and return nums. Okay, I'll run the, you got it right. What actually happening here is I'll print it, print string comma res. We'll see now what's, if you see here 991 is mapped to 669, 338 is mapped to 007, 38 is mapped to 07, but then it gets changed to 7 and 7 because 007 corresponds to 7. If you change it to int, right, zeros leading zeros goes away. That's how it becomes as 7. If you see the dictionary also, see 338 maps to 7, 38 also maps to 7. You got it right. That's how, if you see 338 is 007 here, but 338 is mapped to 7. When we try to change it to integer, leading zeros makes no sense. You're getting it right. Now we try to submit this particular solution. Comment this, run this, and now submit this. You see, solution got accepted. If you have any questions, please comment them in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe.